One of Excel's greatest strengths is being able to turn numeric information into a visual image, in other words making charts or graphs. Usually it's small amounts of data to display compared to large database type lists. Usually when making charts you decide which data you want to put in the chart just by clicking and dragging to highlight the information. When you select data, you'll see a button in the lower right hand corner. This is a quick analysis button. On clicking this button, you'll see a number of different aspects regarding what you might want to do with the data, including charts. And it gives a preview of what each term means. We could try one of these. Cluster column, and suddenly we have a chart. That's one way of charting, but it may not be the best. But it is fast and gives you a quick visual read. Another approach is to highlight the data in question. Go to the Insert tab in the ribbon and then slide over the button, Recommended Charts. Look at the description, click, and you get similar choices to the ones in the previous button. This is one way we can make our choices. We may want to see a bar chart, so double-click this and click OK. It's possible to move these charts by dragging the borders or clicking just inside the border and dragging. To remove a chart, just press delete. So we'll get rid of these. Another way is that you have a clear idea in advance of which type of chart you want. So click the Insert tab, and instead of the recommended chart, go to the chart type that you know you want to use. Maybe it's a column. Click the drop arrow. There are some variations, but it's not a huge difference. You may want to select the 3D option, so you can click that. So anyway, let's delete that. A faster but maybe not the best way is, after selecting the data, press Alt F1 and a chart appears next to the data on the screen. There are many ways to create charts. The basic idea is trying to get a visual depiction of the data. We'll delete this and focus on the other data here. Here, if we highlight all the information, we may be surprised because it doesn't do well to show all the detailed information. So go to the Insert tab and look at some of the recommended charts here. When you look at some of the options, you'll notice that the totals are appearing in these options. You may not want this, as it tends to skew the charts in a way you don't want, so press Cancel and select only the data that does not include totals. After that, click Recommended Charts, and now we see displays that make more sense and which most people would use. So lots of fast approaches to creating charts. They give us a good, quick visual image.